Today, we're going to learn some essential phrases that will make your trip to Greece smoother and more enjoyable. These phrases will help you order food, buy a bottle of water, get a train ticket, and even ask for an aspirin at the pharmacy. When you're in a Greek restaurant and you've found something you'd like to eat, you can say,
Θα ήθελα να παραγγείλω.
Which means, I would like to order. Then you can point to the item or say its name. Let's hear how we can order a Greek salad.
Θα ήθελα να παραγγείλω μια χωριάτικη σαλάτα.
For a more straightforward approach, you can use the phrase I would like. Let's hear how that sounds in Greek.
Θα ήθελα.
This is a simpler form that can make your interactions smoother. Let's hear it again using a couple of real-world examples.
Θα ήθελα μια χωριάτικη σαλάτα. Θα ήθελα ένα μπουκάλι νερό.
Now, on to public transportation. If you need to buy a train ticket, you can say,
Θα ήθελα ένα εισιτήριο για το μετρό.
This means, I would like a ticket for the metro. Don't worry if you can't pronounce everything perfectly. Just trying to speak the local language is usually appreciated. Finally, if you need to go to the pharmacy and ask for an aspirin, you can say,
Θα ήθελα μια ασπιρίνη.
Which simply means, I would like an aspirin. It's always good to be prepared for any minor health inconveniences when traveling. That wraps up our lesson today on some essential phrases that will be very useful during your trip to Greece. If you found value in this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.